Now, how you can approach for a job, like what are the jobs you can search for this particular cloud domain, right? So I will tell you about all those stuffs. So let's get started, and let me share my screen. Yeah. Okay. So, as I discussed, like in this session, we will more discuss about how you can create your resume as a best practices. Like we have a best practices for resume. What will be your format, and what are the skills you can mention in your resume, and other things like for the jobs, what are the websites are available from those websites you can easily search for your particular jobs, and what are the roles you can check, right? So, into the cloud roles, we have a in particular role like cloud engineer or AWS engineer, right? So every companies are hiring with most of companies have the same role like cloud engineer. This is the common role, and also they have a specific cloud role related to like AWS engineer, or they will ask for some different AWS services. So you need to job search your job on that basis. Okay. So let's first start with how you can build your resume and what are the things you can mention in your resume, and then we will also go and search for a specific jobs and all. Okay, so let's get started. So hope if you are into the college student, or you are already a professional who wants to just switch a job into a cloud world, or you are just starting as a fresher as well, so both all the options are available. So first and foremost thing into the resume is the objective. Like what is your objective? It objective means what you are, your career goals, like what you are want to become. Okay, let's suppose you are a cloud engineer and you want to become a cloud architect, and you want to do a research onto the cloud things, and later you can switch to other technologies as well. So you can mention everything here into your objectives, and you can also put the things like what are the things you can provide to your employer means the company or organization, how you can be dedicated to them. Okay, before it you can also just provide your basic information related to your name and your from where are you, like these are the just basic one. After this you can put this objective. So it is just a short and compressive, like just a brief about your summary, like what you want to become. Okay, then start with your experience. Let's suppose you are a fresher. Now you can ask, I don't have any experience anything, but you have experience, right? Into the college days, if you did any type of internship, any type of training, any type of course, so those things you can put into under the experience field. Let's suppose you are doing this internship, you can put the information of this internship into your experience. Also put what are the things you have learned from it, so what are the skills you have achieved. So those things you can put into the experience. And if you are already working somewhere and you are just switching your job, so you can just put your previous employer's details as well. Okay, so it is just your work history. Let's suppose you have already done the internships, but you are also organizing some communities, you are organizer of some communities, right? So you can put that things also into the experience. Okay, might be that will be non-technical, but you can put, right? So it will also give an impression on like you are actively onto the working side. Okay, now after that you can put list out your education. Into the education, what are the major thing, like your graduation. If you are postgraduate, like post graduation, or just graduate, then graduation, your 12th or higher school education, or your 10th thing. So senior, secondary, both you can put, like as per your board, which board you have passed. So just keep it like a short. Here, if you have done some relevant certifications, like you have already done the internship certificate and all, you can put that also. What are the trainings you have get? So these trainings also you can put into the education field. And the last thing will become like a skills. So these are the skills. So you can divide the skills in your resume like a technical skills or a soft skills. So into the technical skills, what you need to put, like if you are building it only for the AWS perspective or cloud engineer, you can put the skills like the name of the AWS services. Like these are the AWS services you have worked, and just mention the name. And other than AWS services, you can also put, if you are already a CSC background, so you can put other skills as well, like DSA and other stuff like programming languages, and that also you can put. But apart from it, focus on to the main AWS services that you have used, like EC2, S3, load balancers, Lambda. So these we already covered those basic services, VPC, networking. So these things you can mention here. And into your soft skills, you can put skills like your language proficiency, like in which language you are talking, what is your native language things, or like leadership, mentoring, these type of like skills you can mention into the soft skills. Soft skills means your, how is your personality, right? So that mostly we put onto your personality things, what are the things you have did. So these are the soft skills. And in the technical skills, whatever you know, just put it. But keep the resume short, not the not put everything, like but the relevant of the job you can put. And we will also see like how you can build the resume from some resume builder websites. Okay. So and after this, so just list out all the stuffs, then just choose a simple resume format. So I suggest go with the simple resume format, because nowadays we have lots of templates are available that is very glitchy, right? So don't go for that. For a fresher level, go for a simple and sweet, because just whatever you know, you need to tell them, right? So every recruiter just check onto the skills basis, what are the skills you have done, right? Also into resume, last option you can put for the project. Let me just add here projects. Okay, so I just forget, but mention all the and all academic projects. Academic projects and internship projects, all you can put here. So projects also give a good impression, and also provide a links as well, right? If you have a project link available, provide the link. Provide your general information like email and like contact information, so from where the resume interviewer can contact you. Okay, just put all those stuff. And just choose a simple and concise resume format, right? Don't put very like messy things, right? So just choose a simple one. So we will check the this resume format from some websites, so I will suggest go with the simpler one. There everything you will you can check, right? And then tips for resume writings are like I already mentioned, like it should be like concise and relevant, right? So relevant to your job search, what you are searching for it. And it has all the accomplishments and achievements. Let's suppose in your college you have achieved some thing, right? So you can mention those as well, what are the achievements you have get. So everything that is related to the particular job search you can mention. Let's suppose in some competitive exams you have also got very good marks or high marks, or you won some trophies and all. You can mention those stuffs as well here. Okay. So this is also a very good thing into the resume. So these are the some uh, smallish things that you need to take care of it. But we will go later on to the resume builder websites. Before it, I also want to tell you about the some LinkedIn profile hacks, right? So keep updated your LinkedIn profile. So hope everyone heard about the LinkedIn. If you not, just search the LinkedIn. and just check for the LinkedIn and create your LinkedIn profile. So LinkedIn is a just uh, social media for the professionals. Okay, so there you can find lots of networking things. Okay, and also you can create your particular profile. So into the LinkedIn, if you go and start creating your profile, you will get every options there. Just add whatever they want, right? So like into the skills area, you can mention all the skills. Into the education, you can mention this education. And a good thing is after completing your whole profile, you can just export this profile as a resume as well. So there is options into the LinkedIn as well. So create your LinkedIn profile, put complete summary, skills and endorsements, everything you can put into the LinkedIn. Also when you get the certificate of the internship, you can also mention the certificate there and actively post your learnings onto the LinkedIn. Let's suppose if you are learning something new, just post like today I learned something this. And if you are working on some uh, personal website, personal blogs, so whatever you are writing, just put onto the LinkedIn. So this will enhance your LinkedIn profile, and you will be it will also help you to job search into the particular domain. So be active onto the LinkedIn and try to uh, create it. You can also view my LinkedIn profile that is presented there. So that is okay. And before going to job search, we can go for the resume builder, how you can build it. Okay, so onto the LinkedIn, you can create lots of networks as well, right? So build your network related to like engineers from the cloud engineers, and you can go and just ask them. You can directly message them as well. So onto the LinkedIn is a more professional community type things, right? So everyone can answer your question. They can also suggest you in if some openings in your in their company or something, they can also refer to you. Okay, so go with also this refer thing. And let me go for the resume builder. So we have some websites called, I just put only four, right? But we have lots of, now this is the era of generative AI, like there's chat GPT as well, and maybe lots of resume builder AI as well come. So just check for like you just need to search for it and just make a simple word document as well, right? They can create your whole complete resume structure. So let me just go into the resume builder, the first website. Okay, from here let me go. So it's resume.com. Okay, so here you can see I have built one, but let me go here. So I just want to go like build a professional resume for free. So let's just search a create, and it's asking for the account. Let it be. Okay, actually I already created one, so let me just open this one. Okay, let me go for the templates. So here you can see we have a lots of templates here, like for the recommended one you can see we have a simple template here, right? So for this website you can choose any template. So I suggest if you are fresher, go with a simple and sweet template. Like if I say my example also, I also choose a simple template, no putting high things there, just create a simple template like this, also very good. And just put your informations here, right? So here you can see I just created a one sample one. So here I just created something and I can edit everything, like just my any name here, not my name, but just the information, then relevant experience we can put, like what is the job title and company name, location. Currently if you are fresher, just put your internship experience here. Okay, so those things we can put here. And into the skills you can add lots of skills here. Into the educations you can add educations here, right? This you can make this is just a a simpler one. Like if you click here, we have a other fields as well come. Okay, and later you can download. Apart from it, we have other uh, websites as well. If I search for this resume now or anything, you can go like this, or you can just simply search like here. It is saying like create your resume. Okay, so let me go with that. How it will go? Like it will just give you a pre-designed one. So just creating like this. So you can put your experience level itself. So like if you are like a fresher, you can put no experience, or entry level. Like if you have 1 year of experience, you can put like this, and then you can put your like uh, your country, and it will give you some templates. Just you need to do a editing here. So this is also a simple template. If you don't want to include your photographs, so go like this. So this is also a very simple and good template. You can choose this type of templates. Let's suppose if I choose this, and after this, so here you can see it has everything. So you just need to put your details. So if I go like this, it will just ask your names and all. Okay, so I'm not going to fill it, but you can fill it with your like let's suppose go with like this, whatever written. Let me put test@email.com. So you can also add more info, or you can go like this. You can put your experience here like this, where you have put it, what is your start date and end date. For internships as well, you can put like this. So like this you can go with one by one, and I'm not going to fill it, but into the you need to fill your detail, and it will create a complete resume for it. Okay, so you can choose this approach. If you don't want to go this approach, you can also, if you know the Word, right, Microsoft Word or Google Docs, go to there and you can create your simple document also there. Okay, so it's only depends on how you can create it. But the main thing you need to remember are these points. So these points are very uh, highlighted here. Like these things are the essential one. This your resume should have those stuffs. But you can if you search for the resume builder websites, you will get lots of from the online. Okay, and you can also search a precise search for a specific role. Let's suppose you are searching for a job, and if you see a job description, so every job has a job description. So just copy the job description, put into the any generative AI like ChatGPT, and it will create a skill set like that, right? So you can uh, go with that approach as well. Okay, after that we can talk about some job searching websites. So that is also very you can find lots of job websites in and nowadays, right? So just popular one I have put like indeed.com. LinkedIn jobs also come, so you can go with, you can search the jobs from the LinkedIn. We have like naukri.com as well. Like if I go into the naukri.com, it is the naukri.com. Just uh, put your search, you can search here simple. Let me search for cloud engineer, right? So into the uh, cloud thing, you can go for the cloud engineer, cloud support engineer, cloud migration, right? AWS cloud. Like this you can put your complete search description here, like okay, like cloud computing and experience. If you have a fresher, just put a fresher. You can enter location or just search it. So you can see the all the jobs you can check here, like 0 to 2 year. It is for the, like currently we just search for the cloud engineer, so it also gives for the Google Cloud as well. Also you can check cloud DevOps engineer, and you can customize your search, right? Currently it has not customized, but like here you can see a cloud engineer intern also come, this also come, like AWS Cloud Engineer directly also come here, right? So they also put complete what will be you get onto the fresher level, but this is always negotiable, right? So don't go for the, like, if it is saying 3.5 to 5 lakhs, when you selected, you can also go more. Like this you can check onto the job search websites. This is very easy thing. And also we have Indeed as well, so go for the Indeed. Let me just search Indeed jobs, so you can just search onto the Indeed. Okay, this is for the job posting. We need to check for the, like, it is giving like this. You can just search for location. I'm just removing here. I'm full-time fresher, right? Let's suppose in Delhi I'm searching, and here we can search the technology, I guess. Cloud engineer fresher, or more specific we can put AWS as well, so it will search for AWS. So you can check, it comes with the different options. Okay, like if I go for the AWS services, so it depends on to the location. You can also put a hybrid location or anything here. You will get lots of websites here. Go to the AWS Cloud Engineer, AWS internship, like into the Delhi, currently not so available, but as per your location or city, you can search for the job. So they will, from here you can search and apply directly. Okay, and also you can check for the company reviews as well from here, or you can also, we have one good thing like AWS Career. So whatever company you find, you can also go for the career page of that company. So you can search there, like you can search for search, apply, and find your jobs from the company websites. Also you can directly search and apply for this. So you can just check, like it has 260 265 open jobs, right? So you just need to search here and apply from here, and they will get back to you and submit your resume, cover letters, everything here. So here already a website called Amazon Jobs. Okay, so this is particularly give you the AWS related jobs. Okay, like this you can search here, and you can create your profile on all these jobs related websites. Okay, so that will also help. And also, if in your city, if there is some community events are happening, like technical community events, so you can go to those technical community events as well and create your networking there. So with the networking help, you can get a good job there, and you have already completed internships and the projects mention all of those things there, and search for the jobs like this. So this will really help you. And yeah, that's it, I think, for this session, and all the best for your job thing and all the future. So if you need any help, you can also pitch up. So I think that's it. I will share all these details on the documents into the with a separate document page, so you can find it with the attached video. So that's okay. Okay, yeah, thank you very much, and that's it for today.